If your Adobe Photoshop is showing up in another language and you want to switch it back to English, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the safest official method to change any Photoshop language to English using Adobe Creative Cloud without messing up your brushes, actions, or workspace settings. This is the best route if you want a clean, reliable fix that actually uses Adobe's own language pack. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. This is the main hub where you manage your Adobe apps, updates, and language settings. Once Creative Cloud opens, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Preferences. This is where Adobe keeps the app settings, including the language option we need to change. Inside Preferences, look at the sidebar on the left and select the Language tab. This section controls the default language used when installing Adobe apps. Now find the default Install Language drop-down menu. Click it and from the list, choose English, either English International or English North America, depending on what's available in your version of Creative Cloud. After selecting English, click Done to save the change. This step is important because it tells Creative Cloud what language to use the next time Photoshop is installed. Now, go back to your main apps dashboard in Creative Cloud. You should see your installed apps listed there, including Photoshop. Find Photoshop in the list, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Uninstall. If Adobe asks whether you want to keep your preferences, make sure you select Keep Preferences. That way, you don't lose your brushes, actions, presets, workspaces, or other custom settings. This is one of the biggest reasons why this method is so useful, because it keeps your setup safe while changing only the language installation. Once Photoshop has finished uninstalling, you can reinstall it right away. Click Install, and Creative Cloud will download Photoshop again using the English language pack you selected earlier. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes, so let it complete fully. After the installation finishes, open Photoshop again and check the interface. You should now see Photoshop in English with the menus, buttons, and panels updated to the language you chose. If it still doesn't appear right away, close Photoshop completely and reopen it, or restart Creative Cloud and check again. In most cases, reinstalling through the official Creative Cloud language setting is enough to fix the issue cleanly. This method is recommended because it uses Adobe's supported process, which makes it much safer than random workaround files or unofficial language patches. It's the best option if you want a stable, professional result without risking your existing Photoshop setup. So to recap, open Creative Cloud, go to Preferences, switch the default install language to English, uninstall Photoshop while keeping preferences, and then reinstall it. That's all it takes to change Photoshop from any language to English the official way. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Adobe tutorials, fixes, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.